Hello, I'm back out with a new video and it's cooking today.
Do you reckon I can eat that?
No.
It's cooking.
Okay.
Live Little and Zamarni Chadwick in Zamarni Chadwick's house.
Wait, stay.
Stay
You
house.
just told me to stop messing with it, so...
No, because I want to mess with it.
Wait, while this is cooking, Liv, we can dance.
Oh.
Dancing with...
You dancing, great.
Dancing with Liv Little. Hey.
I'm going to join you.
Come on. Dancing with Zamarni.
All my makeup, but I didn't bring one single makeup brush.
Come in. Come on, you got to do that.
Wait, I can't cook.
Hey, that's Dancing with Liv Little and Zamarni Chadwick done.
Yeah, I wasn't dancing in the first place. I love pretending I can actually cook even though I can't.
Left, right, left, wait, left, right, left, right. This is... Oh,
Look how much makeup up this year.
I don't know.
Yeah, you guys, because I went last year.
I'll
It's fun.
actually go in everything,
I know, yeah.
because I am.
Oh, I didn't go in this.
Oh, if I ended then I was going to go.
I didn't go in the one. I didn't go in
Oh
one
my
of them
God.
only because you get chased. With
People,
chainsaw at the end,
you
which
need
was
to
like,
see
no.
Zamarni's dog, and it's called Boo.
Bo.
Oh, Bo me. I know that. Look at that sexy sausage dog.
Sausage dog.
It's not
I'm
sausage.
joking. I'm joking. I mean, the Yorkshire Terrier. Oh! What's it?
I don't know.
You need a beauty blender.
Ooh, what's that?
How many does Diaz have?
Man called Liam. Go left, right.
Wait, do you realise that by something is cooking, you don't take your attention off of it? My mum doesn't do that. My mum doesn't let me cook though, so bearing in mind that's probably...
Right, back at it with Dancing with Bo. Got it right, I got it right. Bo! Wait.
Do that.
No, just go.
But what do we both do?
Where's Diaz getting dropped off at?
Yeah, that.
Oh, she's camera shy.
Oh, it's fine. Vlogging. Jokes. Right.
I need the spaghetti sauce.
Wait, what are we cooking today, Zamarni?
Sheep's brain.
Oh.
No, we're not. We're cooking
Now I understand why you said it looks like brain.
mince meat.
Yeah.
You two can just talk while I'm with my girlfriend. Wait, I've lost my girlfriend. Oh. Come on. Come this way.
Where's the bin?
Put it in that.
It was.
Stop cutting your hair.
I cut quite a lot off.
Now add it into the food.